Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about Cron. Now, a couple fib levels here that we're going to look at. The 61.8, that's going to be our next resistance. That's currently trading right at that 793, 795 area. That is going to be our first area of resistance. That is if this 9-day EMA in here does hold. We broke out of it yesterday, gapped up today, printed a red day on the day, but we are still above this 9-day EMA, so that is good. So that's going to be our first support. But if we do hold that, then we should be working our way up to that 790 level, that's going to be your first level. The next level above that is going to be this 50% fib retrace. That's going to be a main fib level for us in here, right at the 820s, because we have this 50-day moving average, which was basically right here on it. So this level and then your 38.2 fib level are going to be key, and that's going to be trading right at the 850 because they have the two moving averages right with them, right? So these have the 50 SMA and then they have the 200 SMA right with them. So those are going to be key fib levels for us in here. But first, we have to worry about the 61.8. Now, support wise, we did mention that 9-day EMA. Below that, you're going to have a little bit of support down here right at the 1770s. But then ultimately, your big support is going to come down here right at the $7 area. And you can see we touched that on the 19th and then ultimately back here on the week of the 10th. So that is going to be your main support in here. But I don't think we're going to get down there just quite yet. On your options chain, it looks like everybody's pricing in right around an 8-cent move by tomorrow. Next week is your earnings expiration cycle. It's pricing in right around a 55-cent expected move. You have earnings pre-market on Friday, so that Friday expiration cycle is going to carry all the IV. Raw IV of around 91.7% in there. Like I said, again, 55-cent expected move. The following Friday, pricing in right around a 56 cents expected move. That's really hard to say. Raw IV of 85%. Your August monthly's pricing in right around a 79-cent expected move with a raw IV of 73%. So look for an IV contraction here, right around 10%, I would guess, for next Friday's expiration. And you do have a 55-cent expected move in there. And hopefully we can kind of push our way up with that earnings catalyst, kind of work our way back up to this 50% fib level. That's going to be the main one for us. But obviously, this is going to be a big level for us too, right here at the 850s at that 38.2. But first and foremost, we have to worry about the 61.8 right here at that 793. RSI in here, 38, stochastics 31, both oversold. So we might get a little bit of a push in here. But again, it all depends on if that earnings catalyst is going to be enough to kind of push all of these stocks that have earnings next week up or not. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to check us out on our social media. We have attached the links to our socials in the description, and we also have a trading service if you're interested. There's more information in the description below.